Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss some essential tips on how to install a battery Lithium 18650. This process is relatively straightforward, but it requires a few important steps to ensure the safety and longevity of your new battery. 1. Charge the battery. Before installing the Lithium 18650 battery, it's crucial to charge it to its maximum capacity. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to determine the proper charging time and temperature. A deep cycle battery charger is recommended for this purpose. 2. Secure the battery. Once the battery has been charged, it's time to secure it in its battery holder. Make sure to use the correct screwdriver size to ensure a secure fit. If you're unsure of the correct size, you can try using a small screwdriver to gently tap the screws into the battery holder. 3. Position the battery. Carefully position the battery with the positive plus terminal facing up and the negative terminal facing down. You should also ensure that the terminals are aligned with the corresponding holes on the battery holder. 4. Install screws. Once the battery is securely in place, it's time to install the screws that hold the battery holder to your device or project. Be cautious not to over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the battery and its holder. 5. Test the battery. Before using the Lithium 18650 battery, it's essential to test its functionality. Perform a quick charge and discharge cycle to ensure that the battery is operating within its specifications. 6. Secure the battery. After testing the battery, make sure to secure it in its correct location. This will help to prevent accidental discharge of the battery. In summary, installing a Lithium 18650 battery requires careful attention to detail and the use of the appropriate tools. By following these tips, you can ensure the safety and longevity of your new battery.